To be able to begin the lab, we made sure all group members had appropriate lab attire, had hair up in a tie, and wore goggles during the entire lab. Dilution is the reduction of the concentration of solute in a solution by adding solvent. Stock solution is the concentrated solution that will be diluted to some lower concentration for actual use. The concentration of the stock solution is an important factor of our dilution equation, which is represented by C1. The initial and final volumes are recorded as V1 and V2. With the recorded numbers, we are able to find the final concentration of the dilution. First, we started by drawing the stock solution into the pipette and recording the initial volume of our solution. To record the volume, we had to be able to read the meniscus from the pipette. The meniscus is the curved bottom of a liquid in a tube that is caused by the molecular attraction of the liquid to the pipette container. Here you can see the meniscus formed from when our initial volume was recorded. After recording the initial volume, the stock solution is then transferred to the volumetric flask. Then again, we record the volume from the pipette, which is recorded as our final volume of stock solution. We then subtract our initial volume from our final volume to get our delivered volume. After transferring the solution to the flask, it is then diluted with water till the meniscus sits on the mark from the flask. In order to create this dilution, we use a transfer pipette, which makes it easier to reach a more precise preferred total volume. After completing the process once, we repeated it 2 more times to complete the experiment, and we recorded all the required data. After finishing our lab, we disposed of all the solutions that were used in this experiment. We cleaned the containers and tools that were used, and we cleaned our table.